how to show the navigation bar down here, those three buttons on this Honor X6 phone. To show those three buttons, swipe down from the top, come here to settings wheel, settings, go down to the bottom of this list and come here to system and updates, tap on system and updates, system navigation, that one, and here we have the two options. The one on the top is for gestures and the one below is free key navigation. If I tap on this one, you will see those three buttons. So that one, and there are the buttons. This one is hiding it. Don't show the tutorial right now. There are no buttons. That one is showing it. Okay, so that is showing multiple windows. Currently only one is opened. This one in the middle is minimizing all of them, and that's a back button. So if I open, let's say, a browser and tap on the first one on the right side, then I can switch between those two windows. If I use that one, it's minimizing all of them. Let's open, let's say, this one and tap on the triangle, and that's a back button, and it just went back to the previous page, and now it's minimizing all of them. So that's how to show the navigation bar, those three keys on this Honor X6 phone.